Hi, everyone. Welcome to 5 Words, One Topic. Today, we're talking about travel. Whether you are going on vacation, a business trip, or just exploring a new city, these 5 words will make your journey easier. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to use these words naturally in conversation. Let's get started. The first word is ticket. A ticket is something you need to travel by plane, train, or bus. I bought a ticket to London for next month. Don't forget your ticket at the airport. Repeat after me. Ticket. 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 The second word is luggage. Luggage means your bags and suitcases. I have 2 pieces of luggage for my trip. Please check your luggage at the counter. Repeat after me. Luggage. 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 The third word is flight. A flight is your journey by plane. My flight to New York leaves at 9 a.m. The flight was delayed because of the weather. Repeat after me. Flight. 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 The fourth word is delay. A delay happens when something starts late. There was a delay at the airport. The train is delayed by 30 minutes. Repeat after me. Delay. 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 The last word is passport. A passport is your official travel ID. Don't forget your passport at home. You need a passport to travel internationally. Repeat after me. Passport. 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 Let's review the 5 words one more time. Ticket. Something you need to travel. Luggage. Your bags. Flight. Your plane journey. Delay. When something starts late. Passport. Your official travel ID. Try to make one sentence with each word today. That's it for today's episode of 5 Words, One Topic. I hope you enjoyed learning about travel vocabulary. Remember to practice every day. Even 1 word a day makes a difference. See you next time, and happy learning.